Processing invoices in Netsuite involves several steps to accurately record and manage your accounts payable. Here's a concise guide. Log into Netsuite. Access your Netsuite account using your credentials. Navigate to the invoicing section. Go to the main menu and click on Transactions. From the drop-down, select Purchases, then choose Enter Bills. Select Vendor and Invoice Date. In the bill form, choose the vendor from the vendor drop-down. Enter the invoice date and due date as per the received invoice. Enter invoice details. Fill in the invoice number, reference, and any other relevant information. Specify the account and department for the expense. Add items or expenses. Enter the items or expenses being billed by the vendor. Input quantities, rates, and tax information for each line item. Review and approve. Review the bills for accuracy, ensuring all information matches the received invoice. Once verified, approve the bill for payment. Save and post. Click Save to create the bill record. Optionally, post the bill to update your accounting records and affect the liability. Track and manage. Monitor the bill status in Netsuite to track pending payments and manage cash flow. Record payments when made to vendors to reconcile accounts payable.